Avicularia juruensis. Avicularia juruensis is a species of spider in the family Theraposidae, found in South America, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Brazil. Avicularia urticans was brought into synonymy in 2017. It has been given the English name Amazonian pink toe spider. Under the synonym Avicularia urticans, it is also known as the Peruvian pink-toe tarantula. It is a large mygalomorph spider with a maximum body length over 30 mm 1.2 in and the longest fully extended leg about 60 mm 2.4 in. Like other species in the genus Avicularia, specimens under this name are sold as pets, although their identity has not been confirmed by taxonomic studies. Description: the adult female Avicularia juruensis has a carapace about 19 mm long and 17 wide, and an abdomen about 24 mm long and 17 mm wide. The adult male has a smaller body with a carapace about 15 mm long and wide, and notably shorter and narrower abdomen, about 17 mm long and 12 mm wide. The fourth leg is slightly longer than the first, both being longer than the middle two. The first leg was measured as 53 mm in a female and 56 mm in a male. The fourth leg is 58 mm in a female and 60 mm in a male. The eyes are arranged in 2 rows of 4, the front anterior row being slightly curved forwards and the back posterior row slightly curved backwards. The abdomen carries type Roman II urticating hairs setae, up to about 1 mm long in males and 0.7 mm long in females. The mature female has 2 long, well-separated spermathecae, expanded in the middle to about 1.5 times the width of the end portions. The mature male has a globous palpal bulb with a small subtegulum and a well-developed protrusion on the tegulum. The embolus forming the tip of the palpal bulb is about 5 mm long. The forward-facing side prolateral of the first leg has an unbranched protrusion apophysis on the tibia. As with other species of Avicularia, juveniles have distinctively different color patterns to adults. Juveniles of A. juruensis lack any kind of metallic sheen, have black tarsi contrasting with the rest of the leg which is lighter, and also have a reddish upper surface to the abdomen with a central longitudinal black stripe and separated transverse black stripes. Adults lose the stripes on the abdomen and gain a metallic sheen. There are 2 color forms or morphotypes. Morphotype 1 has a golden and pink sheen, a whitish carapace, and whitish leg rings and longer light brown hairs evenly distributed over shorter darker hairs. Males appear to lack whitish tips to the hairs on the upper surface of the abdomen. Morphotype 2 has an intense purple sheen and yellower leg rings. Females have long reddish-brown hairs on the front and sides of the upper abdomen over shorter darker hairs. Males have white-tipped hairs evenly distributed on the upper abdomen. Morphotype 1 is more commonly found in Brazil, morphotype 2 in Ecuador and Peru, but this is not an absolute difference. Morphotype 1 is the form previously known as A. urticans. Variation in color patterns. Taxonomy. Avicularia juruensis was first described by Candido Firmino de Mello Leitão in 1923, based on specimens from Juruá in Brazil. The specific name is based on the location in which the species was found. In 1994, Gunter Schmidt separately described Avicularia urticans based on specimens from Peru. In 2017, Caroline Fukushima and Rogerio Bertani synonymized the two, saying that A. urticans was indistinguishable from A. juruensis, although there were some differences in color. The name A. juruensis has been misapplied to specimens of Avicularia rufo from the Brazilian states of Mato Grosso and Rondônia. Apart from differences in the male and female genitalia, A. juruensis has paler leg rings, more uniformly colored hairs setae on the legs, and legs I and Roman IV more or less equal in length, whereas A. rufo has bright yellow leg rings, leg hairs with a whitish apex, and leg I shorter than leg Roman IV. Behavior. Detailed studies of the life cycle and habits of most Avicularia species have been described as practically non-existent. An adult female Avicularia juruensis was seen on the side of a palm tree feeding on a greater sac-winged bat Sacopteryx bailanita. In Peru, the species has been known to swim across large rivers. Distribution and habitat. Avicularia juruensis is found in central South America, in Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Brazil, where it is found in the states of Amazonas, Acre, and Para. Like other members of the genus, it is arboreal, building silken retreats. References